Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 5 EVS, Unit 6, Every Drop Counts, Part 2. Fill in the blanks. Your first one. Sar means lake. Second, people in earlier times used to make step wells for the travelers. Third, at some places, whenever lakes get filled up with rainwater, the people gathered around the lakes to celebrate festivals. Fourth, water is a necessity for our life and should be used wisely. Fifth, rain is the purest source of natural water. True and false. In earlier times, people used to collect water in copper and brass pots. True. Second, the soil around trees should be covered with concrete and cement. False. Third, to overcome the problem of water shortage, directly put a pump in the Jal Board pipeline. False. Fourth, water is pumped up from under the ground with the help of electric motors and bore wells. True. Fifth, rise in population also causes water shortage. True. Answer the following. Question 1. From where do you get water in your house? Answer 1. We get water from the Jal Board pipeline in our house. I repeat, we get water from the Jal Board pipeline in our house. Question 2. What can you do to minimize your water bill? Answer 2. We should save water, use water wisely, and collect rainwater to minimize our water bill. I repeat, we should save water, use water wisely, and collect rainwater to minimize our water bill. Question 3. How is water provided in colonies where there is no supply of water through pipelines? Answer 3. Water is provided by the water tanker or borewell in the colonies where there is no supply through pipelines. I repeat, water is provided by the water tanker or borewell in the colonies where there is no supply through pipelines. Children, this is just for your more information. The process of storing rainwater for future use, we say it is called rainwater harvesting. Now, how do we collect rainwater? You can see there is a house and it is raining and the water is collected on the roof, and from the roof it is getting down through a pipeline, and that pipeline is connected in the ground with the tank, and you can see that all the water is collecting down in the tank. So all this water which is collected, we say that we have rainwater harvested. We have stored the rainwater. Why we have stored the rainwater? So that we can use it in our future. So we call it rainwater harvesting. I am just sharing this picture so that you get a little information about rainwater harvesting. Question 4. Why decorated verandas, large halls and rooms were made around lakes? Answer 4. Decorated verandas, large halls and rooms were made so that people could gather during festivals, music and other programs. I repeat, decorated verandas, large halls and rooms were made so that people could gather during festivals, music, and other programs. Question 5. Who was Al-Biruni? What did he write about the skill of Indian people in making ponds? Answer 5. Al-Biruni was a traveler from Uzbekistan. He wrote that people in India were skilled at making ponds. I repeat, Al-Biruni was a traveler from Uzbekistan. He wrote that people in India are talented, were skilled at making ponds. Question 6. What are Johats? Answer 6. Johats are man-made ponds constructed to collect rain water. I repeat, Johats are the man-made ponds constructed to collect rain water. Question 7. Why are wells dried up now? Answer 7. As we are using up all the groundwater and not collecting more rainwater, that is why most of the wells are dried up now. I repeat, as we are using up all the groundwater and not collecting more rainwater, that is why most of the wells are dried up now. Question 8. What was unique about Ghadisar Lake? Answer 8. Ghadisar Lake was built by King Ghadsi of Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. The lake was made in such a way that when the lake was full with rainwater, the extra water would flow into another lake at the lower level, filling up 9 such lakes. I repeat, Ghadisar Lake was built by King Ghadsi of Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. The lake was made in such a way that when the lake was full with rainwater, the extra water would flow into another lake at the lower level, filling up 9 such lakes. Now children, I'm sharing few pictures with you for you just to see for your information and knowledge. This is a picture of a canal. Here water is collected and it is given and supplied to different farms for growing their crops. Now this is a dam, and we are acquainted with dams and we know where dams are. We've seen in Datiwada. So there is a Datiwada river where water is collected, and when it is full, the doors of these dams are opened and then the water is allowed to rush down into another river connected to it. So this is a picture of a dam, and we all have seen a dam. Now this is an hand pump. In earlier days when there were no motors and machines, these hand pumps were fitted on wells to draw underground water. This was all done by manual work. This is a picture of a tube well or bore well, which we say a boring. So this is also a type of a well, underground well, where they have to dig right into the earth's crust many feet under the ground to remove water. And this is the underground water. This is the rainwater which has penetrated into the ground, and they are known as tube wells or bore wells. Now this is a picture of a step well. You can see that you can get water right down, and you have to get down steps to reach to that water. All around steps are made of that well, so you can get down from any side and climb up from any side. So though they were beautifully carved. And this is a picture of mashak. Mashak is what? It is a leather bag in which water used to be filled, and the travelers used to take along with them when they were traveling. So this is the way how people used to carry it and how it is carried, and it is called a mashak. So I hope, dear children, you have understood the question answers and seen all the different pictures which I have shown you all in this part. And the homework for you is that you need to write these question answers into your notebook in neat handwriting. So thank you and have a very nice day.